Gas up. Gas up ulit.
Oh yes.
Bili muna tayo ng coffee at hot chocolate. Girls,
What?
Tim Horton muna tayo.
Exactly. I don't
Yeah.
know what that means.
I just have my Tim Horton coffee again. It's only me. And they have hot chocolate.
Let the kids.
Oh no, what
I
happened?
died. I lost.
Oh, you're playing your games while you're in the car? I thought you sleep.
No, I just had a headache.
Headache because it's too much.
Headache because I have car trouble.
Just drink your hot chocolate. Here, we're almost there.
Oh no, last one.
One English muffin each, my dear. Eat while it's still warm. Girls,
I am. Yeah.
girls.
Qualified. Damn, I'm eating. I'm thirsty.
You have your hot chocolate, but careful, it's still too hot.
No way.
Cool it down a bit.
Hash brown is really good. I'm not hash brown. I did that. Did you get the hash brown?
Hmm?
She didn't.
Ay, ang haba ng biyahe.
It's so beautiful.
We're almost there, my friends. Snowstorm, gala kami. Sobrang bagot na sa bahay.
Didn't we like arts of
Ayan, ang lakas pala ng snow dito. Ayan, oh.
Wait, how many minutes? Oh shit, no. I forgot.
Dahil sa dulas ang daan, naabot kami ng 2 oras na biyahe. Ayan, oh, ang ganda.
So beautiful outside. It kind of gives me like I don't know, like I don't know, like you know, arts of
Uy, dahan-dahan. Oh my God. Puno ng snow. We're almost there. Lakas ng snow. Our neighborhood here. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay.
Bahay po.
How I wish. How I wish. Ayan, puno ng snow. Ayan. We're not sure if we can get in our place. Hala. Ayun. Ay! Can we go in? Puno ng snow. Oh my God, sa looban pa kami. Walang nagsashovel ng snow. Ayan. Hirap pumasok. Ha? Oh my. We are in the forest. Can we go in? Oh my God! Welcome to our hideout. Oh, subukan namin kung makapasok kami doon. Ayan, ang hirap. Walang naglilinis dahil private place. Oh, it's good. It's clean.
No.
Our neighbor plowed the snow. Oh my God. Oh, but we cannot go, Daddy. Wow. The snow is so deep. Baka ma-stuck up ka. Ha? We're just gonna go here and we will walk all the way there.
You cannot back up now.
Huh? Oh, Monju. We're stuck up. Oh my God. Hala. We're stuck up. Here. Look our environment here. Ayan. You can go back up and we're gonna walk. We're in the woods. Oh God. Ayun. Magsusuot muna, magbibihis muna kami. Susuot ng snowsuit. Dahil ang lamig. Umatras na yung aking dadyo kasi hindi kami makapasok. Ayan. Dahil lumakas ang snow, kaya maglalakad kami papasok sa aming munting kubo. Ayan. Oh, ganito ang buhay namin dito. Coffee muna. Girls, put on your snow pants. Off that one now, please. AJ, AJ, Victoria, stop that one. Let's go.
Yeah, it's -4 today.
It's -4. -4? Yeah. And how many centimeters the snow?
1%.
Let's go. We're gonna dress up. Put on your snow pants.
The snow's about like 34.
Oh my God, 34.
I mean, about 34, 74, 61. Where are we?
We are in the Kubo.
But where?
We're in front of our neighbors. Ayan na. Ha? Ay. How come? Ayan ang aking daddy you. Let's go, let's go. Just bring the sled. Ay, put him run. Turn off the car. Let's go, girls. Are you ready? Yeah. One portion is your sala, one portion is your kitchen, one portion is your your oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. We can do that there. You know, just for the camping. What do you think? Yeah, you don't need to wear the mask. Yeah, I have there. I just left it there. Put on your hoodie, Victoria. How about the sled, Daddy?
Wait, did we bring it?
Oh, you didn't bring the sled? Oh my. Okay, we're just gonna walk.
I don't know how because you're wearing this one instead. Why we red because you put in the where you put it?
The what?
Long gloves basa.
Jesus.
Get this one.
She stepped on it, that's why it's wet.
Oh my god, it's too hard. Put that.
It's getting too tight. I have to buy a new snow
It
pants.
is. I feel like I've grown up because like
I know you're grown up now, baby. What do you think? You're not a baby anymore. You're big girl now. How come you're crying?
No.
Let's go, girls.
Oh my god, look at these pants. Oh my gosh. It's actually not even. I feel hot.
You feel hot? How come you feel hot?
I feel warm.
Because you just have your hot chocolate. Go, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, it's nice. Ang lalim ng snow. Hindi makapasok yung aming sasakyan. Kaya, maglakad na lang kami. Look. Welcome to our wonderland. Kaya hindi kami makastay dito pag winter. It's because hindi pa tapos ang aming bahay kubo. Ang aming project, ginagawa lang namin every summertime. Pag may kunting ipon, kami lang ang gumagawa. There. Oh shoot, madulas! Oh, so slippery. I almost slipped. Ang dulas. Buti na lang. Yes, nice. Our friend plowed the street. Oh, shit. It's so slippery under, you know? It's icy. That's why you have to be careful. Oh, Jesus. Where is it? In the car? Where? You forgot? Yeah, you have to turn it on, otherwise it's gonna be stuck up. You didn't remember? Yeah. It's very nice. It is snowy, but it's not cold. I love the place here because it's so quiet. Ang aming hideout. I mean hide up, blah blah blah. Our cityscape place. Ayun. Sa gitna kami ng kagubatan. Huh? It's nice. Oh, the keys are here. Hey, Daddy. Daddy, you a key. Ay, sus Maria. Wow. Oh my God. Huh?
The snow.
Push the snow here. Here. What you gonna do? The keys here. Here, Daddy. Here, Daddy. Do you think can you open it? It's not frozen. Hello. Hello. It's cold. You said you're not cold. Introducing our kubo. Ay, ang lalim ng snow. Look. Hanggang tuhod. Look. Oh my God. This is the place. This is our place here on winter time.
Wow, so deep. Look how deep that is.
Look.
Flashlight I didn't bring.
Oh Jesus. You use your cell phone. There's a flashlight there in your cell phone. Ayan, maglililis kami ng roof. We're gonna clean our rooftop. Ayun. Oh my God. Can you open it? Woo! Make a snow angel.
My butt is not even touching the ground.
Oh yeah. Hi. You can make a snow angel.
It's too deep.
It's a snow Victoria.
So tiny. How do you do here?
What you mean? I have here the other one.
This is for the house.
Yeah, here. I think this one. Victoria, give it to Daddy-o.
Yo. I'm dead in the floor. Never mind. You know, every winter time I go down here and just try to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm good.
You sleep in the snow. Oh my.
Very hurt.
Very what?
Bury me, I'm not even dead. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna bury you. That seems I'm
Bury you alive in the snow? That's not a good idea.
no, lie down.
Just like you're in the beach, you know.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God, my hands are frozen.
Same. Mine not.
You can use this one, Antoinette. Here.
I'll go get it.
Oh my God, I told you to bring the
No, because my gloves are wet.
waterproof gloves. You can just use mine.
Then until I get off it. Okay.
Here, it's Daddy Yo.
Yes, yo.
He's cleaning the roof.
Don't believe anything I say. I'm just joking.
This is his job here. Life is that easy. Ginapalang na piko. Ang snow.
Maraming pera dito. Yan. Pinapala lang. Gagawing halo-halo.
Yeah, pwede na magawang halo-halo. Free na ang ice. Hindi na pwede.
Nagili na. Nagiling na yung ice. Hindi na kailangan gilingin.
Ayan. It takes hours to finish. This is the girls. What happened, my frozen the frozen sisters?
I'm dead.
Oh, it's in the car.
Oh, we're done.
Now we can eat here. We're gonna do picnic here.
No.
Yeah, you can get up now.
Can I?
Yeah,
You up.
get up now. Oh la la! You can get up.
I can get out myself.
Eee.
Hey, boy.
Hey hey boy, hey hey boy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, boy.
You can make an igloo, you know?
We like burying ourselves.
Yeah, just like I love to do that in the in the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi may cellphone, no?
Huh? I don't know. Where's my phone? Hey. Don't die yet. Okay.
Ay! Oh my God! How can I get it? Ay!
1, 2, 3.
Ay! Okay, this is Daddy Yo cleaning up the roof. Oh la la, it takes 2 hours to finish it. Ayan oh. Ayan ang trabaho ng aming Daddy Yo. Ay! Careful! Ayan, ayan ang gagawin niya. Nag-stop na ang snow. Maganda na ang araw. Ayan o, ang haring araw. Lumabas na. And the kids is having fun. Look. Welcome to our world. There you go. Ayan. Oh, ingat-ingat, madulas. Your cousin is watching.
Sino? Sino? Esther?
No.
Sino?
I don't know who is this. Mando Istari.
Ha?
Mando Istari.
Ah, si Toto, saan nga? Alberta.
Ah.
Yeah.
Say hello. Happy New Year.
Agto dyan tao.
Oh shit! Sorry!
Abo oh. Abo, ang ano, palahon.
Okay, finish. That's fine.
Ano ko no?
Hi. Wow, wow. Ginano na kay ikaw. Ayun na oh. Naka-live.
I buried Victoria alive!
Not on me! Careful there! It's slippery!
Are you guys doing something? Just wait for
Yeah! I want to help Daddy, but I'm so scared to go up there. It's so slippery.
Victoria's dead.
Hey, stop.
Just kidding, she's just alive. Just buried alive.
Wanna come up, stay up there?
Oh, she's buried over there. You can't even see her. Hello.
Girls, careful. Daddy, I'm so scared for them to go up there.
No, just over here. Just in here. No, it's not.
Careful, careful, careful. Crawl. Yeah. Just go in the middle, okay? That's not so slippery. Ah! Tolo ohog. Live in SB. It's done. That's it.
On the side, only one side.
Okay, now what? Keep it my job.
Good job.
I'm getting the snow off.
Ayan ang palibot. Our neighbor. We have neighbors. There.
Well, I'm cleaning.
And the snow stops. And Mr. Sun came out. It's a nice day. It's not very cold. Imagine, ayan, ang papalahin. We're gonna hire a bulldozer to plow the snow.
Oh, we should have get the other shovel.
We don't have a snow blower.
Ma, the other shovel. Get the other shovel.
Okay, okay, wait for me.
Sabi got a plot in the ano.
Where?
Ang plot lang niya pasko.
Where?
No, it's
Oh yeah? Okay, I'm gonna go and find it.
huh? Do it.
Here.
So, Eden,
Oh my God.
careful ah.
No, I go up there.
Mom, right here.
Okay, my dear. Careful, my love. One more here.
Did you hear one for you? Oh, yeah.
Ay!
Mom, go down.
Hindahan lang. Slowly, don't go there too much. Because here lang huh.
So we're up here in the roof. Mama's trying to.
Go. Eden, just in
come.
the middle.
There's the roof. It's a really pretty view. Look. Just try it.
I need to crawl. I'm so scared.
Oh my god. Nice.
Oh my God. Can I hold it? Hey, stop that. Stop that, Victoria. I'm scaring mommy. Go up there. Go there in the middle, please. Oh my God. Jesus.
Look at you.
I did it.
I feel like you're a baby.
Oh my God, the last.
This is actually really fun.
No. Careful there. We're gonna fall. Victoria.
It's fun.
Yeah, it's not fun, baby.
For me,
Look for mama.
hello. It's actually really hard. It's because it's like.
No. Just. Yes, slippery.
No, the snow will catch you.
Yeah.
In
You're gonna fall down. You're gonna be in the down, okay?
the snow.
Yeah, if we'll fall, yeah.
Yeah, just like you know, like in the movie Frozen, the first one, like Anna and Kristoff. Yeah.
The
mountain. It's like, oh yeah, it's supposed to be like a cloud. I don't know what it is.
That's why I have
Oh,
to
God.
do like this. Roll.
You gonna move? Oh shoot, sorry.
Right, careful there, Victoria.
What? She's scared. She's scared of you falling. I almost fell with a daddy. I almost fell actually. I'm a dangerous creep. Look at him. Shoveling snow. Sure.
Yung cellphone mo.
Here. In my pocket. What you doing?
Where you going, Victoria? I'm Smith.
I'm here looking at the beautiful view of church. Anka.
Hey, Victoria, stop doing that, please.
Wow.
Let's go downstairs.
Look. Downstairs.
No.
I feel like we're gonna scare you guys.
I'm so scared.
It's also like a beautiful view up here.
Why are you scared?
So beautiful.
I'm gonna die.
It's not scared.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
I feel like it's a slide.
Yeah, my boots.
You what? I feel like oh shoot!
Huh?
You let me fall. Wow! I just turned around.
No, because your feet kicked me.
I didn't do that.
Ay, Manong.
Okay, we're gonna be right back. Okay.
Yeah.
Still not finished. Look, they're cleaning up the roof. My daddy, you. Oh my God. Kids are up there. They want to go with daddy. This is our surrounding here. Ayan, ang snow. Sa aming punting paraiso, puno ng snow. Ayan. Lumakas ang snow kanina. At buti na lang na nag-stop na. At ngayon, ayan. The sun is out. Maganda ng panahon. Lumabas na si Haring Araw. Ayan. Wala kaming snow blower. Kaya nagpapala na lang ang aming tatay, ang aming daddy-o. Ayan o, puno ng snow ang aming palibot. Hindi na kayang pala. Masakit na yung bewang. We need to hire a snow blower. Ayan. Ayan ang aming kunting kubo, maliit na kubo. Pinupuntahan namin pag winter. Binabawasan namin ang snow sa taas sa bubong. Binabawasan ng konti kasi umpisa pa lang ng snow. May February and March pa, mas lalong lalakas ang snow. Ayan. Kaya nililinis ng aming daddy-o. Ayun. Nakatuwaan ng mga kiddos na umakyat doon. Ayun. But they are with their dad, so they are very careful. Ayan. Ayan ang aking garden. Pag summer, itong aking libangan dito. Ang aking stress reliever. My cityscape. Ayan, ang aming project every summer. Pag may konti kaming ipon, ayan, ginagawa namin. Kami lang ang gumagawa. Pag may budget, ayan, pakunti-kunti. Our dream house. At least may mapupuntahan ang aming pinaghirapan. Ayan, project namin is already 5 years namin ginagawa. Paunti-unti. Ayan, oh. Hoping matatapos na. Kaso, I think 3 taon pa. Ayan. Ayan ang aming paligid dito. Tahimik. Kaya dito kami pupunta kasi bawal pa magngapit bahay. At least dito kami lang. Ayan. Ayun, malinis na. At least kalahati ng bubong malinis na. Ayan. Almost 2 oras na ginagawa ng aking tatay. Ng aming tatay. Ayan, oh. Ayun. Ayun. Si Daddy Yo.
Mahirap ang trabaho.
Ayan. Parang pag-ibig. Hahamakin ang lahat. Masunod ka lamang. Ayan. They're almost done. Guys, come down now, please. Let's go. We're gonna get our food.
After, wait.
Ha?
We're gonna get our food in the car. Or just finish and then we'll go. We eat in the car. We eat in the car instead. No, it's cold.
Wait, how?
No, I'm freezing. My hands are frozen now. And even my feet, even I have 2 pants, 2 socks.
Because you're not moving, that's why you're...
Yeah, but my gloves are wet. So, I didn't bring my waterproof gloves. Even Victoria, look. Ayan, 1 oras na. Hindi pa tapos. I went upstairs but I'm so scared. It's so slippery. Oh my God, you're throwing the snow on me.
Again. Hi.
Here, Daddy. Careful. Ayan, gumanda ng panahon.
Di ba ano dyan maganda the slipper eh.
In the middle.
Let's go there, this one in the middle. Yeah, because
They're close to ate. Hi.
Santa caught you in the naughty list.
That?
You're gonna go when all this is finished?
Yeah. We're just gonna clean here a little bit and we'll go home.
no, just half of that snow.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. 12 o'clock. We're gonna go
It's actually 1:08 now.
go back.
It's 1:08.
There's a lot of time. Okay guys, yan lang muna. Yan ang trabaho namin dito. Nagapala ng snow. Kasi pag hindi namin binawasan, lalong tataas. Bawas-bawasan muna. Kasi umpisa pa lang ito eh. Umpisa pa lang ng snow dito. Meron pang February sa Marso. Sakit na baywang guys. Sakit na yung baywang kapala.
Get down now, girls. Okay, that's it for now, for guys. Kasushimi. Yan lang muna. And see you in the next vlog. Hello everybody! We just got home. Kararating lang namin sa aming apartment. Munting apartment. Galing sa long drive sa aming munting kubo. So now I just want to shout out my friend Marilu Andal. Happy New Year. Always stay safe and good luck for this year, 2021. And also, I want to shout out Lola Didit from Hinalinan Pandan Antique. We miss you. And also, I want to shout out Samoldi and Evangelio family from Hinalinan Pandan Antique. Thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye.